Alright, this is the first vehicle I'm looking at on my new rig hunt here. Little short bus. This is a 4-window diesel, 7.3 power stroke, 97 Ford chassis. Single wheels in the back. It's got it running already. I kind of don't like that. I would have liked to hear it cold start. It's got the rear door and back. A little bit of damage here. She had a doggy daycare business with it. So there's these back seats with a little gate because she had dogs in here. We'll see if I can stand up. I'm 5'11", and if I stand up totally straight, my head is just touching. I was hoping it'd be a little bit higher. So I'm gonna get my tape measure and take some measurements here, see how long it is from the front seat to the back and how wide it is. So yeah, I'm a little bummed you had it running already. I would have liked to hear it cold start. So I'll go get my tape measure, see. I mean, it's pretty darn close to standing up. If I really try to totally straighten my back, I kind of have to just bend my head over a little bit. It's about how I am in Kelly's Transit with the mid-roof. So for the sliding side windows, nice straight walls up until the curve of the roof here. So I like it, but I don't know if it's for me. Just a little bit of wheel well. Of course, the typical side bus doors. It's really not much wider than my van. The body doesn't extend out from the body of the van here. Just up on top, you know, it's the same width here. So I'm gonna shut the camera off and do some more looking over here. I believe this is where the batteries are. See what it looks like on the underside. And go from there. All right, so I just took a measurement bumper to bumper. It's actually just about 18 feet. So I'm gonna measure the width on the inside of the box there. All right, just doing the width of the box here. It looks like 6 feet 3 inches from side to side, and that's straight wall. So that's that width all the way up to the ceiling. And I'm just, as you can see, I did this already. I'm 5'11", and I just can't quite. I'm close, but I gotta tilt my head a little bit. It's better than what I'm in my van. But I was kind of hoping for something I could totally stand up in. The body looks pretty good outside. Again, I don't like the fact that it was running when we got here. It says I could take it for a drive, but already I'm kind of feeling like this isn't it. I'm going to get underneath it here and check it out. So. Another thing I don't like about this is where the batteries are. You know, overall, this thing has really good clearance. There's not a lot of overhang, so you're going through dips and that, you're not gonna scrape the back. But these are right dead center where the batteries are, and that's not much clearance there. And that's where you need the clearance on a lot of dirt roads and that. So I don't even think I need to test drive this one. I don't think it's for me, but I really wanted to see one of these in person and check it out. So we got a box fan to look at after this, not too far from here. It's got the 7.3 power stroke diesel in it, Ford, and it's got 257,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna pass on this, and I don't think the short buses are probably for me. I'm really feeling like the box fans are. So it's worth checking out though. All right, so I was able to ask him after I told him I wasn't interested how much they paid for it about a year ago, and he said $3,500. So I don't know how truthful that was. And they put the tires, a couple batteries, and sway bars, I guess, and that's about it. So you know, he put a little bit of money into it, but I don't think it's worth $7. The $35 I might pay if I really thought I wanted it. But on to the next one.